Imagine this. AI instantly tests how a bridge holds under extreme loads, optimizes material use, and predicts delays before ground is broken. All while you focus on innovation and real-world safety. But here's the infrastructure truth. Civil engineers who ignore AI in 2026 won't just deliver projects slower. They'll struggle with tighter budgets, stricter safety rules, and climate challenges. Ready to make AI your strongest design partner? Welcome to Infinity AI TV. This is episode 65 of our Future-Proof Career series. Today, for civil engineers, the 5 AI skills you need to design stronger, build faster, and create more resilient infrastructure. AI isn't replacing civil engineers. It's automating complex simulations and risk analysis so you can focus on creative problem solving, safety oversight, and sustainable design. Here are the 5 must-have AI skills. Let's break them down. Skill number 1, Advanced Prompt Engineering for Civil Engineering. Craft precise prompts that generate accurate structural designs, load calculations, and construction sequences. Quick question: how much time are you still spending on manual simulations? Mastering prompt engineering can cut design time dramatically. Skill number 2, AI Structural Analysis and Simulation. Use AI to test materials, predict stress points, and optimize designs for safety and efficiency before construction begins. These tools catch problems early and save millions. But here comes the twist that defines the future of civil engineering. The twist? AI will never replace your on-site judgment, creativity in solving unique challenges, or commitment to public safety. But civil engineers who refuse AI tools will be replaced by those who master them. The future belongs to those who combine AI precision with real-world engineering expertise. Skill number 3, AI Construction Planning and Risk Assessment. Leverage AI to create realistic project timelines, predict delays, and identify safety risks before they become costly problems. Skill number 4, Agentic AI Workflows for Infrastructure Projects. Deploy intelligent agents that handle design optimization, compliance checks, and real-time progress monitoring. Skill number 5, AI Ethics, Safety Standards and Sustainable Infrastructure. Ensure your designs prioritize long-term durability, environmental responsibility, and equitable access for communities. These 5 skills will help you deliver better, safer infrastructure in 2026. Start with just one this week. This is Infinity AI TV, Infinite Stories, Infinite Imagination. Subscribe for more news.